Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make a bread pizza which is very easy to make. Now let's add 150 grams of chicken which is cut into small pieces. Boil it for 2 minutes also. And also remove the water from the boiled chicken because it is very dirty. Add oil in a frying pan. Add boiled chicken pieces in hot oil and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. It's fried well. Now turn off the flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of pizza and pasta sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now fry it for 1 minute in low flame. The vegetable we have already prepared, we're gonna add them, and you can also add vegetable which is your choice. Don't fry them, just give it a mix. If you fry the vegetables will become very soft and the pizza won't be that much tasty. Now let's add some bread and we're gonna separate the edge. And now we're gonna cut it into triangle shapes. With the extra 2 sides we're gonna make another triangle shape so that our bread doesn't become wasted. Now repeat the same process over and over again. Now we're gonna take a tray and grease it with oil. Now let's add the bread pieces one by one and make a shape. There were many extra bread, so we kept them on the side so that none breads go to waste. Now add mayonnaise, pizza and pasta sauce and tomato sauce. Now apply it all over the bread. Now let's add some little cheese because we don't have that much. Now let's add the fried chicken vegetable which we have already made. Again add mozzarella cheese on top. Bake it for preheated oven in 180 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it's baked well. Let's sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes on top. You must try this because it's very tasty. It's a very easy and delicious snacks to make at home. It only took us 10 to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.